video is directions for what you are supposed to be doing while I am gone. You will log into Google Classroom and go into your class, Virtual Reality B Day or Virtual Reality A Day. The assignment you are to be working on is called the Dream World Tour. Please open up the assignment, and when you look in the assignment, you can see, here's the assignment. We talked about it last week. You're creating your dream world. You have to have at least 3 scenes in your space, have at least 5 objects in each scene, and use blocks to code all the objects in each scene. Each object needs to be coded differently, and you must use blocks from Transform, Action, Events, and Controls. The links below here, these first 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 links are to websites where you can look and download different environments for your project. If you click on one of the links and you find an environment you want to use, depending on the site, usually you can click on it and there's some kind of button for free download, or if you alt click, you can do save image as, but look for the download button. You can download the image, and when you want to bring it into your space, I will show you how you can do that. Now I'm logged into CO Spaces. I am going to create a new space for this project. So if you haven't started, click Create Space. If for your scene, if you're going to use the environment in your scene that exists in CO Spaces, you'll use this side, 3D environment. If you were going to use an image for your scene, and you can use different images for different scenes, you need to use this side, the 360-degree image. So I will click on this, and it is loading my space. You click on Environment, and you click on Edit. It will take you to the one spot on your Chromebook where things are saved, and you can click on the image and open it up, and it uploads your environment. Okay, and now I can navigate around my 3D world. And I really hate that the sorter does not go away, but that's okay. You will notice there is a break because it is a 360-degree image that is taken in panorama. So if you go up, there is white up there because the image is only taken with a camera. So it depends on the image is how it comes out. So if you don't like how it comes out, I suggest you go find another image. You can still use the environments that are loaded or whatever makes you happy. I will want you to remind you to name your new space. So if you click on the home button, it can take you to your spaces. If you don't see them, you have free play right here. So you can click on free play. Mine says my spaces. To name your space, simply click on the menu dots and click on name the space. And I'm going to please name the space Dream World Tour. Remember, this is your dream world. So anything can be in it, and you can program it to do whatever you want. When you're in your dream world and you want a new scene, it's the same thing. If you're going to use the environment that came with CO Spaces, pick on 3D environment. If you want to use a 360-degree image, you can click on 360-degree image, and then go to environment and click on edit and find the image that you downloaded. So that's the basics. Also, make sure that you share or give me access. So back on home and back into free play, click on the icon, and you will have a choice at the bottom that says grant teacher access. I don't, because I have the teacher version. Make sure you grant me access so I have access to your space. And once again, the requirements are right here for what you need. 3 scenes in your space, 5 objects in the scene. You do not have to finish this project today. This should take you more time. The link to get into CO Spaces, CoSpaces is right here in the assignment. And I also put a link to Google Poly if you want to search for three-dimensional things. You can also search for your three-dimensional objects within your project. Just as a reminder, when you click on Library and you go to Search, you can arrow back and decide, well, what am I searching? You can also click on Upload if you want to search outside of the program, and you have the different choices, images, or you can click on 3D models, and you can do a web search for just 3D items and use them that way.